Welcome to today's news. The Directorate of Medical Education (DME) Assam is inviting the application for the recruitment of 765 posts in Grade 3 non-technical posts. Eligible candidates can submit their application on the official website at dme.assam.gov.in. Candidates must note here that the deadline to submit application is on January 16, 2025. The online application form shall be available from January 5, 2025 to January 16, 2025 at the official website of Directorate of Medical Education, Assam, www.dme.assam.gov.in. Candidates who had already applied for various Grade 3 non-technical posts, wide advertisement number DME bar recruitment bar 23 bar 2023 bar 2033-1 dated February 1, 2023 need not apply again. However, those who had applied earlier for different Grade 3 non-technical posts, their candidature shall now be considered as per this advertisement. According to the official notification, the candidates must possess valid employment exchange registration certificate of the state of Assam to be eligible to apply for the recruitment. Age limit as of January 1, 2024 is minimum 18 years and maximum of 40 years. There is no application fee to apply for the recruitment. DME Assam Recruitment 2025. How to apply? Visit the official website of DME Assam at dme.assam.gov.in. Click on the application form link for Grade 3 non-technical post. Fill in the details as asked in the application form and upload the necessary documents. After carefully reviewing all details and submit the application form, download the confirmation page and keep a printout of same for further reference. Eligibility, age limit, selection process and more related details. Candidates are advised to visit the official website of DME Assam.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.